Hey, hi. In this video, we're going to look at Trading Arena Crypto Simulator. We're going to see how it works, and also we're going to see how you can withdraw the money from Trading Arena if it's possible. Because actually, simulator means actually kind of a training ground, as we're going to see. But we're going to really confirm and see if you can really make any money in this app and withdraw, or it's not possible. Okay. After installing the app, you have a few icons here down. I think they're like 5. There's home, and the app has actually kind of some ads, so expect some ads, okay? But basically, there are kind of a few. So there's home. Let me cross this. There is home. There is this is transactions. You can see. Transactions are mainly things that you are engaged in within the app. For example, if you watch a video, if you maybe daily logins, all of that. So transactions is mainly whatever you are actually earning from this app. Okay, and there is this. This is where you can do some mining from. You can actually click on boost. You can when you click on boost, you can realize like you can get some quick money there up. Okay, we're going to see if this really money is really real. You can really do some trading here. So this is called a simulator because here you kind of train. Okay, so I have like more than $10,000, but this money I can't really withdraw it. And first of all, after signing up, they will actually give you some free money to practice with, so that you can use that money to do stuff. Okay. But this money, you can't withdraw it. Why? Because this app is made for someone to kind of train himself in trading and also how to mine crypto. So there's this thing which is kind of loading. Every time it finishes, you get some money here. So it gives you the feel of how crypto mining is done, but it's not real stuff. So don't expect to withdraw this money. It's kind of a training ground for you to learn how training is done and all that stuff. Okay, there's quite some ads. Let me try if I can skip that. Let me just cross this. All right. So someone who is playing this, I have to tell you, like, whatever the money that you're going to earn here, you're not going to actually withdraw that money. Okay. Within the app, there are other things that you can do. For example, watching a video for this stuff and all that stuff. But all these are known to real ways of making money. So Trading Arena Crypto Simulator is more of a simulation app. And when you read about this game on Play Store, about this platform, they say, disclaimer, simulation only, no real cryptocurrency, transaction, or blockchain technology involved. So this statement shows like it's not real. They are not even real. They are not even real transactions. This is just more of a simulation. Okay, you cannot win or withdraw real funds. Success in the simulator does not guarantee success in real financial markets. So that's what I can say. So whoever is playing this app, don't really expect that you're going to withdraw this money, okay? Because it's not real money. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in videos like this, which review apps, okay?